Nervous?
A bit, yeah. What's up everyone? I'm making a video today of my first time ever having an Indian haircut. As you can see, my hair is quite long. And this is my friend Max here. He's got a terrible cold, just like me. So excuse the coughing, but as you can see, we both have very long, scruffy hair. And it just needs to get rid of. And so what better way to do it than have a haircut in India for super cheap probably. And it will be quite a cultural experience. So yeah, looking forward. We can't. Oh shit. So yeah, we can't wait guys. This will be such a cultural experience. No wait, I've got a bit of line. So yeah guys, we can't wait. It'll be So yeah guys, we can't wait. It's going to be a super interesting experience. We don't know what to expect. Alright, door's locked. Off we go. Get a haircut. Just a monkey. It's all good. We don't need a taxi. We're just here for a haircut. Should we go? Alright guys, I'm gonna ask the price. How much do you do for a haircut?
150.
So I gotta like go to it.
You're from?
New Zealand.
New Zealand?
From New Zealand, yeah. It's too good.
Sir.
So good. It's looking very good. Am I bleeding? A little bit. Just a smooth slither. Right there. Maybe like... Look at that hair.
Cover.
Thanks so much. It looks very good. Look at that, mate. That looks so different.
No trouble. Compliment.
Compliment, yeah, sure. That'd be very helpful. This hair is way too long. I cannot wait to see the end result of this. Oh, it's a proper wash. Blow dry it. Whip this up with a chai tea. Just a bit of time. It's a good one as well. Yes, mate. Yeah.
That is insane.
It's crazy. Like it?
Very good. Very good.
Thanks. Are you happy with it, dude?
Love it.
Thanks so much. You did a very good job.
Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you. All right. Off we go. We are both very satisfied with our haircuts. Absolutely love mine. Max loves his.
Yep.
And the craziest thing is it only cost $1.40 for this haircut. $1.40. How crazy. Yeah, so both satisfied customers.
Oh my god!